In a quaint village, a cap seller known for his vibrant collection of hats prepared to journey to a neighboring town. Balancing his livelihood atop his head, he found solace beneath a tree's canopy for a moment's rest. Yet, a band of cheeky monkeys had other plans. The cap seller's vibrant collection sparked curiosity in the monkeys, who swiftly swiped the hats and scattered them, adorning themselves in their newfound treasures. Upon awakening, the cap seller's heart sank. His livelihood was now a monkey fashion show. But the cap seller was no fool. He knew that brute force or reprimands would be fruitless. Instead, he used cunning. He flung his remaining cap to the ground in a huff. Mirroring his actions, the monkeys tossed their headgear too. With a swift collection of his goods, a nod of gratitude to the unwitting monkeys, the cap seller continued his journey a little wiser and a tale richer. Remember, it's not always brute force that wins the game. Sometimes it's just a clever mind and a cap.